Today for sweets, we will make carrot laddus, which is favorite of children and can be made for festivals also. We will make this laddu in very easy way by making khoya at home. So let's start making it. So first of all, let's prepare the khoya for carrot balls. For this, we will take a cup full of milk. Now add half cup milk powder in it. Cook this milk with milk powder while continuously stirring on medium to high flame. Don't leave it, otherwise it will burn from below. So cook it on a medium to high flame while stirring continuously. If you are not able to manage, then you can reduce the flame to medium to low and just keep stirring it continuously until it gets cooked and becomes thick. So don't leave it at all until all the moisture gets dried from it. So here you can see that the milk has now started thickening. All the water from this has started drying up. As it cooks, it will become thicker, and after thickening, it will start leaving the pan. Even after this, we have to keep cooking it on a slow flame until all the moisture gets burnt from it. Here now all the water has been burnt, only a little moisture is left in it. So we will burn this moisture also by stirring continuously on a slow flame and make it completely dry. It takes about 8 to 10 minutes for it to be ready. With this you will be able to easily make 20 small sized laddu. So here you can see that all the moisture has been burnt out of it and it has become completely dry. So now quickly transfer it to a separate bowl and let it cool. Now let's prepare for carrot balls. To make carrot balls, I have grated 4 carrots, which were approximately 500 grams of carrots. We will put these grated carrots in a pan. We will cook it in a non-stick pan so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. Now add 1 cup of sugar in it. This is 150 grams of sugar. Now cook these carrots and sugar on a medium to high flame with constant stirring. Sugar was added for cooking along with the carrots so that the carrots absorb the sweetness of the sugar well, and at the same time the shape of the grated carrots is maintained. And its advantage will be that after cooking it will not get overcooked and become mashed at all. Because of the sugar, the shape of the grated carrot will remain, because the benefit of sugar is that it doesn't allow anything to melt too much and keeps its shape maintained. So after about 10 minutes, the sugar and carrots are cooked. Now we will add a cup of milk in it, and again we will cook it for 4 to 5 minutes till the milk gets completely burnt. After adding milk, roast it on a medium to high flame for 4 to 5 minutes with continuous stirring. Adding milk will further enhance the flavor of these laddus, and if the carrots are still little hard, they will also become softer. So after cooking on a high flame for about 5 minutes, all the milk has been cooked and absorbed, and the carrots have also become soft. So now we will add the khoya that we had prepared to it. You can see how delicious the khoya has been prepared. It is so delicious in taste that it will make laddus tastier. Now add half a spoon of finely ground green cardamom powder to it. If you don't like the flavor of cardamom, then you can skip it. Now mix all this well. While mixing, if any lumps of khoya are left, then break them with the help of spoon and mix the khoya and carrots very well. After mixing these two well, let them cool for 5 to 10 minutes so we can take them in our hands and make laddus out of them. So after cooling for 5 to 10 minutes, this mixture has cooled completely. Now measuring with the help of spoon, take this mixture and make laddus from it so that all the laddus would be of the same size. Use any big or small spoon according to the size of laddus you want to keep. Don't let this mixture cool down completely, otherwise it will become too dry and it will be difficult to make laddus later. So try to make laddus out of it only when it is slightly warm. Very tasty carrot laddu is ready here. Additionally, to increase the look of this laddu, I am putting half pista on top of it. So you can also add any dry fruit of your choice. Here very tasty laddus made from homemade khoya and carrots are ready. If you also want to make some good sweets for the festival, then definitely try making these laddus and comment us how you like this recipe. Also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.